In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Here's the correct way to import JSON into Notion, step by step. Notion doesn't import JSON directly, so the trick is to convert your JSON to a CSV first, then bring that CSV into Notion as a table. I'll show you exactly how to do it and how to keep things clean and accurate along the way. Start by opening your JSON file in a simple text editor or any online JSON viewer. This quick check helps you understand what you're working with. If the file shows up as one long line, use the viewer's Pretty Print or Format option so it's easier to read. What you want to see is a list of similar items, an array of objects, because each object will become a row and each key will become a column. If you notice nested fields, that's fine. Just make a mental note that we'll flatten those during conversion. And if the file seems off or won't load, run it through a JSON validator to make sure it's valid before moving on. Next, head to a JSON to CSV converter. Paste your entire JSON into the tool. Look for settings that tell the converter to treat an array of objects as rows and to flatten nested fields where possible. Some tools let you choose how to name flattened keys, like using dots or underscores. Either is fine. Just stay consistent. Generate the CSV and review the preview. If you see everything crammed into a single column, tweak the options. Enable flattening or adjust the delimiter and quoting until the columns look sensible. When it looks right, download the CSV. If you want extra assurance, open it briefly in a spreadsheet app to confirm the headers and columns line up. Now open Notion and go to the page where you want the data to live. Click the three dots in the top right, choose Import, and select CSV. Pick the file you just created. Notion will convert it into a database table, creating one row per item and one column per field. Take a moment to tidy things up. Rename columns for clarity. Update property types so they match your data. Switch numbers from text to number. Set any date columns to date. Map true or false values to checkbox. And turn categories or tags into select or multi-select. If some columns came from nested JSON and arrived as long text, you can keep them as they are, split them into new columns later, or delete what you don't need. Clean up typos, merge duplicate columns, and remove empty rows. And that's it. The reliable way to bring JSON into Notion is to convert it to CSV first and then import. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tutorials.